today I am going to be making glitter slime with glitter glue. And so, I got everything I need right here. I am clearly in my bathroom because it is way too loud in my room, in my kitchen, or wherever. So I am going to be doing slime right here in my bedroom, in my bathroom, because it's the most quietest. And if you hear like a sound, it is actually my bathtub, because my bathtub's water is running just a little bit because it's just like 23 degrees outside. It is freezing, and so to prevent it to like freeze or something, you let your water run all night and all day because it is freezing cold. And so let's get on to the film. Okay, so we are back, and I had to like switch y'all around like sideways because y'all wouldn't be able to see me making it. And so I got all my ingredients right here, like the things I need to do. And I've got this is baking soda. This is baking soda. So yeah, let's just start off by pouring in my glue. This is gonna take a while because the groove's on the side. And so I'm gonna fast forward. Okay, so I got it to start to work and everything. It is definitely coming out more, but it is making a weird sound. I kind of have to like hit the sides and the bottom of it, so it will come out. And so this is getting a little bit hard, so I'm going to fast forward it again. Okay, so I still have a little bit in here, and there's this like little hack where you put water in it, and you put the cap back on. Try to shake it up, and then pour it in. And I'm supposed to like get it all out, and then you're supposed to like, oh my gosh, like the water, it looks like it's making it form, but I know it's not. And so yeah, there's like extra water in here, and like if you put like glue like in your like down your drain, it will clog it up. And so you have to be very careful. And yeah, and so now it's time for me to add my potion. This will make it more smoother and stretchier. And yeah, it's going to turn a lighter color depending on what color lotion you have. And then you're supposed to add your baking soda. You're supposed to add just a little pinch. And what the baking soda is supposed to do, it's supposed to help it like form when you add your activator. But it only works if you're using Staflo or anything or saline solution. Oh crap. And yeah, it's supposed to make it form. It's not really forming, so I guess I'm supposed to add more baking soda. And it's supposed to make it work. And you should know if it's trying to work when like it gets tougher. You see it like coming together. You're only supposed to add a little bit at a time. Like dot after dot. You're supposed to like shake it, and you're not supposed to squeeze it, or else it's going to turn out tough. Cause when I first made slime, I looked it up and looked at the ingredients, and the first time I made it, I like squeezed a lot, and so it got really tough. Like I squeezed a whole lot, and it got really tough. And then, well, it didn't come together because I didn't add baking soda. Oh my gosh, it's getting super heavy. It's coming together, but it takes a long time with glitter glue. Like, it's coming together, but it's like really sticky. And so it is done, but I am not going to show y'all because that would be featured in my next video when I am showing y'all all the other different slimes that I have made in the future before I started this YouTube channel. And that is going to be on my next video. And so